Welcome everyone to another slow-mo video. Today in this video I like to share you guys Realme C11 slow-mo video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So let's start the video. By the way, I am already making Redmi Note 9 and Realme C11 and Realme 5 camera comparison video. Video link in the video description line below. So let's start the slow-mo video. Okay, this is all about Realme C11 slow-mo video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time to another video. I'm Shah from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. Allah Hafiz.